Hello everyone. I know it's been a while since I showed you any kind of projects that I've been up to. I've been very busy at work, and as you know, my two hobbies are 3D printing and Raspberry Pi projects. And what I'm about to show you has combined both these passions into one project, and that's this right here. I know it looks simple, just a simple case, but I'm sure you're going to like what's inside. This is called a Cyberdeck. It's basically a computer with more apocalyptic world cyberpunk aesthetics. Why did I build this? Well, my daughter needs a new computer to do some schoolwork. Her current computer is so old it only runs Windows 7, which I stripped out and installed Linux for it to be usable. And second, always wanted to make one, but would have no use for it. Now there is a use. Let's take a look what swallowed up a month of my free time. Its gut and soul is a Raspberry Pi 4. This monitor is touchscreen, so a mouse isn't needed. I've extended most of the ports so they're accessible. On the outside, it's an Ethernet port, so you can connect directly to a wired network. Also, there's an HDMI out, so you can hook up to a bigger monitor should this small one not be sufficient. On the other side is a USB-C charging port for power and a power switch for the whole thing. Inside on the control panel is a shutdown button. This is used to shut the Pi system down properly so you don't corrupt the SD card. This spot here was meant to be a power light, but since my shutdown button has a light already, I haven't figured out what to do with this space. If you have any suggestions, let me know. Next to this is two USB ports, and sandwiched in between is an OLED monitor display displaying stats and info about the Pi, such as IP for remote login, temperature of the system, and hard drive space. Next is a standard 3.5 audio jack for headphones. And last is a physical toggle switch for choosing either internal audio, mute, or headphone jacks. The keyboard input is a foldable Bluetooth mini keyboard, which is perfect for little hands of a child. But there you have it. This is one of my more involved projects I've ever done. Had to dust off the old cobwebs in the brain pan for electrical engineering to kind of complete this thing. Well, hobbyist electrical engineering. If you want to see more about this and want to see how I built this, leave a comment and maybe I'll do a tutorial or a web page so you can create your own project or your own Cyberdeck. If you want to learn about more Cyberdecks, just do a search for Cyberdecks. All right, the one I based mine off of was a Cyberdeck Pelican case, so if you look that up, you'll kind of see what I was going for. But I didn't have a Pelican case on hand, or I didn't want to spend the expensive money for one, so I just went ahead and 3D printed my own case. Plus I got to make it the size I wanted and the colors and stuff like that. So again, if you have any questions, message me below, and have a good day, and I'll see you on the next project.